Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Upwork talent. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we go to Upwork talent. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.